Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how I make my lunch for the work week ahead. Next week I only work 4 days, not 5, because the 5th day is a Friday. I need to have some fun. So let's put the lunch together. I've made shrimp stir fry with parsley, fresh rice with boiled eggs, and yogurt flavored with parsley. It's a pretty simple lunch, nothing fancy. I just don't like to eat outside during work. Probably at the weekend, that's fine, where I go out with my friends. If you'd like to see how I make shrimp stir fry, you could check out the video link below. I work for a pharmaceutical company where I make infusions for patients. It's very tiring and I need to have the energy to keep me going for the day. So for that, you need to have a good lunch. We get a 45-minute lunch and this is just about enough to keep you going for the next 4 hours of the day. Believe me, this is much better than eating outside. This is all homemade and it's fresh. Nothing is frozen. Let me know in the comments, how do you make your lunch for work? Do you eat outside all the time or cook at home? I would really appreciate it if you could give this video a like and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.